Hey there, welcome to the show. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode, I'm going to give you a few different ways for you to be able to monetize your content. If you're a content creator here on YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, blog, whatever it may be, stick around because today I'm going to show you a few different ways to make some money. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. Hey there, as I said, welcome to the show. My name is Andrew, and today I'm going to give you a few different ways for you to be able to monetize your content. Doesn't matter whether you create videos on YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, or have Pinterest or Facebook. Doesn't matter. If you're a content creator of any kind, today we're going to discuss how you can make money without having all the restrictions of subscriber base and watch time. We're going the simple way. These are all things that you can do to monetize right off the get-go and not have to worry about whatever platform you're on going, well, you don't have many people, so we can't let you do that. No problem. First up is how can you make money without having a product or anything like that. One, you can go to Patreon. Patreon is a platform that allows you to get paid for your content. You have the ability to just get donations and not give anything in return, or be able to give something in return, like a behind the scenes or a one-on-one chat, a members live stream, a members group. It's entirely up to you. You also have Buy Me a Coffee, which is another platform that gives you donations. Then you have Ko-Fi, Ko-Fi, and it's the same as Buy Me a Coffee. Same concept as Patreon. You get donations and you can give something in return, or you don't necessarily have to. It's entirely up to you. Another option is to set up a PayPal account with a direct link. Now, for instance, if you'd like to donate to me, you could go to paypal.me/Andrew-Raven. Just for an example. And that allows you to get donations from your viewers or from your community members to help you to move forward in creating your content and be able to make more content. Upgrade your gear. Be able to do giveaways or whatever it is you're trying to do. Another great option is apparel or merch. You can do digital products or you can do physical products, and there's a few different ways you can do this as well. I myself recommend doing the free way as your beginning venture. Instead of going out and paying somebody to have a way to monetize, the whole objective is to be able to make money, not lose money, right? So you have Spring, which is formerly Teespring. You also have Zzzle or Redbubble. These are platforms that allow you to do your own product designs and be able to sell them. And they do all the hard work for you. You create the design, you upload it onto the products that you want to sell. They allow you to have a storefront. They sell. You get all the profits from that item. And they also have the ability to do digital products like music or maybe a PDF or ebook, and you can be able to make money that way. Another option is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is pretty much going on to like Amazon and promoting one of the products that you use on there. You have many different ways that you could do affiliate marketing. It's entirely up to you on what niche that you're in for your community to know where you might want to be able to do affiliate marketing. The most common is Amazon. If you know a person on YouTube who is an influencer that does courses, whether it's Sean Cannell with Think Media or Pat Flynn, any of them influencers have different businesses that do have affiliate programs. You can go to a business that has physical products or has a service and you promote it in your content, whether it's in a video, in a podcast, in a blog. You can get paid for every time somebody purchases one of their services or products, and you get a commission in return. Another option is Adsense, and I don't mean just the YouTube AdSense, I'm talking Google AdSense. You could create a Google AdSense account and you could be able to have them place ads on your blog or within your content depending on what it is you do. And then they go by the amount of downloads or views on that content to be able to pay you each month. Another option is brand deals and sponsorships. Brand deals and sponsorships are pretty simple. A sponsorship is somebody that you either reach out to or reaches out to you and makes an agreement to have so many episodes or a length of time where they're going to sponsor your videos. I'm sure you've all seen many videos here on YouTube for TubeBuddy from Nick Nimmin or Creator Fundamentals with Dan or Self-Publishing with Dale, and they all talk about how this is sponsored by TubeBuddy or this video is sponsored by so-and-so. This video is sponsored by this company, in which case they're going to do so many different videos or content creations with that specific thing getting sponsored in their video, which is promoting them, kind of like an affiliate deal, but it's a little bit more of something that does take time to get going. Not everybody is going to get a brand deal or a sponsorship right off the bat. It is something that does take a little bit of finesse. Sometimes the brand or person will see your video and offer a sponsorship. Sometimes you want to get a specific sponsorship where you have to reach out to that company. Then you have to negotiate how many episodes or what length of time you're going to promote their product or service in order to get paid for that sponsorship. Same thing with brand deals. It is more or less just like if you were to have Sony or Panasonic or any of the other big names reach out to you and go, hey, we want you to promote our stuff and we'll pay you for it. Paid promotion, best way to look at it. So there is a few different ways for you to be able to monetize your content here on YouTube or on any other platform. Be sure that if you are going to go about these things, that you read through the terms of service for whatever platform you're on so you don't get in trouble for violating them accidentally. Some of these platforms also are restrictive on some of their requirements for you as well. about the design of your product, infringing on people's rights, being violent, harassing, or offensive in many different degrees. So be sure to check out the requirements in order for you to do these kind of things on whatever platform you're going to use. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, just cover your own butt so you don't have any issues in the future. I hope all of these ways were helpful for you. If you have any questions, please feel free, drop them down below in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. We'll be coming back with more episodes like this for you to be able to make money in your content. And one of our episodes coming up is going to be a deep dive into affiliate marketing. Go a little bit deeper than what I shared today. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Stay safe and we'll see you next time.